Hi and welcome to a brand new video of how to maintain oral hygiene for your toddlers. Primary teeth, or what we call milk teeth, are the foundation stones for the permanent teeth. They maintain the proper space for the permanent teeth to erupt into the oral cavity. They also help with the normal growth of the jaws and gives a proper shape to the face. And lastly and most importantly, helps in chewing and eating of food, helps in speaking and appearance. Therefore, it's of utmost importance that we take good care of our toddlers' teeth. Oral hygiene for kids. From 0 to 6 months, that is when they have no teeth in their mouth and only gums, is the time when you start. You use a gauze piece or a wet cotton or also a finger brush which you attach to your finger and gently clean on all the surfaces of the gums. As the child starts developing teeth, you can inculcate the habit of brushing in them. But before that, you need to choose the right toothpaste and the right toothbrush. There are various toothpaste in the market, but choose one that has a vibrant color, a delectable flavor, and probably some sparkles and crystals in them. Also, at the back of the package, you'll see the contents. In that, make sure that it has xylitol and fluoride. Fluoride is extremely good for your kids' teeth. It helps reduce and prevent cavities. About 1000 ppm is recommended. When your child is under the age of 3, you can smear the toothpaste on the toothbrush or just use just enough like the size of a rice grain. And once they are above 6 years, you can start using a pea-size amount of toothpaste. Coming to the toothbrushes, there are two types. One is electric and one is manual. Always start with a manual one, and as they grow older, you can use an electric toothbrush. Also, when you're going to buy one, make sure the toothbrush is a kid's toothbrush, which is small and has soft bristles and probably a cartoon character attached to it. Always use the right brushing technique. That is, you place your toothbrush at a 45 degrees angle to the teeth and go over all the surfaces of the teeth in a circular motion. And don't forget to clean your tongue. Fluorides and pit and fissure sealants. Fluoride application is recommended after the age of 6, and pit and fissure sealants is a procedure wherein we seal the developmental grooves that are naturally present on the teeth, and that reduces decay by up to 80%. Diet. Candies and chocolates is something that children absolutely go crazy about, and we can't stop them entirely from eating it. But what we can do is always ask them to rinse their mouth after they indulge in it, and before going to bed, they must brush their teeth. Professional dental care. Ideally, when your child gets their first tooth, the parents are supposed to bring their children to the dentist so that we can educate you on how to maintain good oral hygiene. Routine checkup and cleaning should be done every 6 months. It will take you a very long way if you inculcate these good oral habits in your children right from when they are little. Studies have shown that adults who develop good habits as a child always have less dental problems when they grow older.
Brushing with David is usually a huge battle unless we give him the toothbrush and he does it himself. He usually just brushes the front teeth and chews on the toothbrush for the back teeth. He used to throw huge tantrums when we offered to do it for him and would clench his teeth so we couldn't even clean them. Tooth decay can start as soon as your child gets teeth, so it is recommended to start brushing their teeth as soon as they pop that first tooth. Most kids do not have the dexterity to brush effectively enough to prevent cavities. So, as moms and dads, we have to figure out ways to do it for them till they are a bit older.
Brush your teeth round and round. Brush your teeth from left to right. Brush your teeth in the morning and night.
I hope this video helps. If it did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.